Hi, I'm Officer Chavarria with the Medley Police Department here in South Florida, and I'm here to talk to you about hit and runs and what to do in crashes. We understand those are stressful situations, so we want to give you an insight information about what to do. Look around to make sure that all your occupants are safe. Remember, our priority or your priority should be yourself, your well-being. The second thing you need to do is call 911 and notify the police dispatcher or the communications as to where you are so that they can send you help. If you can, look around outside and see the suspect vehicle or the vehicle that has been involved in the crash. Preferably, we would like to get a tag of the vehicle and specifically the direction of travel that the vehicle is leaving. Also, it's important to tell the dispatcher or the communications if you notice the type of damage that's involved in the crash. That could narrow down the amount of vehicles that we as responding officers are looking for. For example, if you say on the phone that I've been involved in a hit and run, vehicle's traveling north on this address, and it should have front end damage. For us, it's easier to look for a vehicle that's traveling in that direction, narrowing it down to the front end damage.